The dark web, a world beneath the surface filled with dangers and opportunities. It's a place where anonymity reigns supreme and where both good and bad actors operate. Ethical hackers navigate this digital underworld to keep you safe. They uncover vulnerabilities and protect against threats, ensuring that your data remains secure. The dark web is a hidden part of the internet, accessible through tools like Tor, which allows anonymous browsing. This anonymity can be a double-edged sword. While it hosts illegal activities, it also provides a haven for privacy advocates and whistleblowers. It's a complex ecosystem with many layers, each with its own unique challenges. Ethical hackers monitor dark web marketplaces to gather intelligence on emerging threats. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, working tirelessly behind the scenes. They perform penetration testing, vulnerability assessments, and security audits to safeguard systems. Their work is crucial in preventing cyber attacks and ensuring digital safety. Ethical hacking is about using hacking skills for good, simulating cyber attacks to identify weaknesses. They help build stronger defenses and more resilient systems. They prevent cyber attacks by identifying vulnerabilities before they can be exploited. This proactive approach is essential in today's digital world where threats are constantly evolving. Tools like Nmap, Metasploit, and Wireshark are essential for ethical hackers. These tools help them stay ahead of malicious actors and protect our digital lives. Protect yourself with strong passwords, two-factor authentication, and caution against phishing emails. These simple steps can make a big difference in your online security. Ethical hackers collaborate with organizations to develop robust security protocols and respond to incidents. Their expertise is invaluable in maintaining cybersecurity. They save companies from data breaches by identifying and patching vulnerabilities. Their work is a constant battle against cyber threats, ensuring our digital safety. If you found this useful, subscribe, like, and share. Stay safe online and join the ethical hacking movement. Together, we can make the internet a safer place for everyone.